NDR Whiteboard Contest Network Detection Response. What is NDR? Why NDR? Why Cyber Command? Cyber Command Deployment Scenario. The four agenda that we talk about today. Network detection and response was previously referred to as network traffic analysis by Gartner. Analyze raw network packet traffic or traffic flow, have the ability to monitor and analyze north-south traffic, be able to model normal network traffic and highlight anomalous traffic, offer behavioral techniques, non-signature based detection, such as machine learning or advanced analytics that detect network anomalies, be able to emphasize the threat detection phase rather than the forensics, for example, packet capture analysis, phase of an attack. In 2020, Gartner changed the NTA market guide to the NDR market guide. In the past years, all NTA vendors began adding more automated and manual response feature to their solution, so NTA plus response become an KNDR category. Gartner states that apply machine learning and other analytic techniques to network traffic is helping enterprise detect suspicious traffic that other security tools are missing. Detect 1%. There are more than 500,000 new malware variants created daily. And while your Axis security solution may be able to block 99% of them, there are still thousands of new malware variants that can bypass your security device and cause a damage. AI versus AI. AI technology has been used by the hackers to weaponize with increased sophistication legacy security. System has limited AI threat detection function, meaning it takes AI to defeat AI. 100 visibility in your network. NDR has the ability to monitor and analyze north-south traffic as well the east-west traffic. Why Cyber Command? CM. We know about the CM is about, we talk about the security information event management. This is common feature, the common system that we are using to detect the security or build the SOC. Also IDS. IDS is intrusion detection system. And the final one, the latest solution is security, orchestration, automation, and response. We call it SOAR. CM is the good tools to do the logs management. Different product, different brands, different function tools can be log management by CM. A compliant reporting also the good thing about CM. How about the IDS? IDS is the signature based, network based, and the host based, so they can detect the intrusion that we call the intrusion detection system. There are three key points why Command is the best solution. More comprehensive detection capabilities, simpler threat hunting model, more in-depth correlated response. Command simplify SOC process from never-ending deployment, high-cost investment, noisy activity, contact to solve the problem. Now we talk about the Command deployment scenario. This is the common structure diagram for the network. There are router, firewall, internet access gateway, switches. There are end user endpoint, branches office. Just simple, we add the Command to our core switch networks. They will monitor and they can orchestration all the other network devices, security devices, such as firewall, internet access management, and endpoint. Now, we talk about the healthcare company. The background about the security is patient data breach, lack of IT operations system, lack of the IT security expertise. This background caused the healthcare company pain about the security. And we talk about the logistic and transportation company. Cyber security breach. Why? Because the traffic for the logistic transportation company during the pandemic is more higher than other business. Work from home is a must. Scatters branches also the problem. Lack of the IT security expertise also they need to fill the gap. During pandemic, education institution also they have issue for the security. Why? Because all the students access the system from the school from home, and then cyber security breach occur so many things from the education institution. The most fundamental is the lack of IT security expertise. This is why the education institution they have pain for the security also. Lack of IT security is major problem. Mobile users remote by VPN is another thing. Existing operation system readiness also an issue. Proof of concept and show them the threat. This is the easiest and simplest way to understand the advantage of this solution.